everybody, this is Scotty with Sketchy's Garage, and today we're wrapping up the Kentucky Moonshiner, driven by Jason Lancaster. It's on the No Prep Kings, it's been on Fastest in America, it's been on Memphis Street Outlaws, it's been around the block a time or two. He brought it to us because he had a supercharger mishap. It ended up blowing up and blowing shrapnel all through his hood and across this fender, and then eventually it all ended up exiting at the bottom of the bumper. It was all kind of busted up. We got him glassed up and painted back up, looking good. He's really ready to make a splash this year at the No Prep Kings. He's been working on it hard, found a lot of little issues, and said he's really ready to kick some butt. Well, I hope you guys like